Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add countdown timer in CapCut PC. So let's get started. So here we are in CapCut PC, and from here what we're going to do first is that right here we're going to go add a text right here since we're doing a timer, and then I'm going to go set this as a 5 because we're going to do a 5-second timer right here, and I was just going to go for this one. I'll just shorten this until it goes to the 1 minute mark right here. Let's go to 1 minute now. The 1 second right here. It's now 1 second right there. In my play it is one second, so the duration of this text is 1 second. So first let's edit the font right here, so to what we would like. So let's say I want this one right here and I want to make it bigger right there. And now all I have to do now is basically just go and duplicate this into 5 more, since this is a 5-second countdown. Right here, 5. Right there, and just basically edit each second right here, 3 and 2 and 1 right here. 1. And then we can see it like this one, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But if that is to play for you, then you can add your animation. So for 5, you can add an animation right here, and you can add it maybe this one or this one or this one. If you want colors, then yeah, we can use this one. So depending on your choice, it depends on what you want, and you can go for animation again, and just like that we now have this product right here. Very easy, and you can do this in CapCut with just those steps. Or if you don't want to do this, then one thing that I can give you, a tip of advice, is that you can go into YouTube and search for free countdown overlays. Depending on the time you want, you can have it 5 seconds, 4 seconds. I'm sure there are a lot of videos that would offer you that. So you would have a template or an overlay. You don't have to do any editing besides put them in your video. So yeah, you can do that on YouTube, but if you want to make your own, then you can do it here in CapCut, just like this one. And once you are satisfied with these effects right here, by the way, you can add more effects if you want. You can go to animation, you can go for the out animation, you can do it in loop and so on. But in my case, it will be just like this for this tutorial. And then after that, you can select all of your clips, the countdown clips, and then right click and create compound clips. In this way, you can customize the position of this. If you want it to here, or here, whatever you'd like, then you can do that. So yeah, that is basically on how you can add countdown timer on CapCut. Thank you for watching.